Welcome back to another day of traveling adventures. So we got a new adventure today. New adventure. Yeah, it's gonna be an adventure. So stay tuned. Well, had an accident. An accident? Yeah, oh Lord. How in the world? This traffic here about to be jagged up. I'm surprised it ain't back no more than it is, but it is late at night. But I don't know how in the world on a straight road you flip that truck over. So we done teleported to SeaWorld. To give you an idea of where we at. But oh, that's the SeaWorld right over there. Like a water slide or two or three. But I'm looking at this old Black Beauty. Says, I'm the black Jeep. SeaWorld. So it's the next day, about 1 o'clock. Looking for something to eat. Traffic. The SeaWorld, I must be back in right there. Yeah. I had to go to work. We at the International House of Pancakes. I wonder what hot pot is. Hot pot. I wonder what that is. But as you can see, it's kind of cloudy. But we'll go ahead and eat. Don't know what the day gonna hold. I'm a little tired. Now you just had that little feeling stings. That's how it kind of feels. Oh, I feel better after I eat. But I feel like a little stuffed pig now. Ooh wee! Boy. Well, you know, you eat and got your belly full. You sit back on that chair, just have to sit back for a minute. Whew. Feel like you've been working all day. That's how I feel. Oh. But good thing it ain't hot down here. Good thing it ain't baking hot. It's nice and cool. It definitely ain't hot though. Oh, we in Florida. Probably ain't update y'all on that. Hey, we head till you see that wreck. I showed you that wreck earlier. Hey, we headed south. I said, darn, how you flip a box truck over Hey, he must have fell asleep or something. He flipped a box truck over on a straight road. I understand that. Like that. But somebody could cut him off, you know, pulled out, cut him off, pulled from him or something. Anything could happen. Around these neck of the woods, we clear get a ticket. We clear get a ticket around here. Oh, Disney. Oh boy, it's nice down here. It feel good. Feel real good. You know, one of them days, boy. One of them days gone. Wrap that girl up in that dress.
Taylor Johnson's home garage or myself.
All these people up there, they walking to.
Shopping.
Shopping? What are you shopping for? Oh, it is the holiday. Oh yeah, cause you see them parking garage from the highway. With them green, that green that green hanging out there. Yeah, you see them on the highway. Grapefruit. Oh, that's the name of the garage. They got an orange garage, the grapefruit garage. What that balloon is over there? That's like one of them things they got at on them islands. That balloon right there, where you get in it, let you go up, bring you back down. But of course, we over here by Disney. That's why you see all these buses and all these different parking garages. They said this is Disney Shores. Disney Springs. But I know them parking garage, you can see them on phone. Boy, I about to say, boy, that helicopter mess around, hit them lines, boy. It like it flew real close to that balloon. So you got a dine in theaters. You see these little lights. The first time I seen this was overseas. I was like, man, what them little lights here? It ain't take long to catch on. I ain't that slow, no. It might be a little slow, I ain't that slow though. I was like, oh. I said, I'll tell you when the car is on a parking spot. Where the parking spot's at. Put them parks right there. Put that is right there. That's $1,000 fine. Yeah, he was parking. So we head to the airport to pick up somebody. Oh boy, well I can go sleep now. Shit. I can go to sleep. Lay down somewhere. That hotel, they got happy hour at the hotel. They got a bar. they sure got a bar front and center. Make sure you see it.
Sounds like
we gotta figure out what gate we gotta go through or Park Place to see where we gotta pick up this person from. All this traffic. Everybody will come see Mickey and Minnie. All this traffic.
Frontier.
People flying back from the holidays.
In between 11 and 12? Or she said 12 and 13.
You need to start getting over there. And get over to that lane. You get behind this thing. But, you know, hey,
10.
Traffic. City of Orlando.
12.
Well, everybody out here be waiting on their rides. Sitting in here waiting on their rides, man. I already leave my butt down now. I got a little sleep.
Hey, ma'am. Okay. I am right in the front of you. Said in between 12 and 13.
Yeah.
Okay. I guess I put myself right in the front of 12, where it says the Southwest sign, instead of going up a little bit.
Are you behind this white truck?
No. Well,
yeah.
Yes, I guess. Yeah. But over the next lane, the right.
Next lane over. Pretty, grab your ticket. Yeah. Okay. Come here.
Yep, I see you. You see me?
I see you.
You see the lady in the green shirt?
Lady in the green shirt?
Yep.
Yeah.
Come towards the lady in the green shirt.
They giving their friends get together. They be you know how women get together. So I get my butt back to the room. I can do it myself, do my thing.
No space.
Yeah, no, you don't need to scoot up. I got plenty. You can scoot that where you were. Here.
All right. We're in there. Like swimwear. All right. The hotel is right down
Beautiful
the street.
black people.
Yes.
How you doing?
Good. How was your flight?
Well, I exhausted.
Where was your
I
flight?
don't ever go to sleep because I'm always doing stuff.
I'm trying to go to sleep on the first flight, but I couldn't.
Your layover was where?
Huh?
Where was your layover at?
Phoenix.
Oh, Arizona.
You want to be in my video? You want to be in my video?
I don't know.
You don't know?
You got look. You got it.
Alexa, what time y'all left? So we done made it back to the hotel, motel, the Wyndham, Garden Inn. But hey, that's gonna wrap the vlog for today. We done picked up our packages from the airport. So, you go tuned into the vlog. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on all post notifications, click that bell. Go on, tune in to tomorrow. We're gonna have another little, it'll be a different journey tomorrow. For sure, different journey tomorrow. Hey, that journey gonna get started tomorrow. Till then, we out.